Hi guys, welcome to our vlog. Our challenge today is guess the question right. Pero nawala ang music sa ubos na lang inyong tanawan. Bye-bye. Okay, what is my favorite color?
Red.
Good. Kusga, sa?
Red!
What is my crush? Ay.
Miguel.
Si Armon!
Miguel, what or who?
Ay,
Miguel.
who? Okay, magaling ko. Sa isa nagawa, sa pipla yung kuha. What is my favorite food?
Ako sunod.
My.
Spaghetti. Undoy, dali, ani, undoy. Spaghetti. Undoy, dali, ani.
Okay, what is my full name? Ang
Claire Tadina Bulatite. Oh!
what is my second food favorite?
Like.
Makeup
Makeup
or
or
limosito?
Say mo. Yan, sis, may telepon ba?
Ay, labayak. Okay. Sa sigo. Adi kaon ko. Okay, what is my fave color?
Ha?
Fave color.
Red.
Sikan.
Time na ko tubig. Ay.
Oo. Kaon. Makeup or makeup.
No.
Haman.
Dari.
Ali.
Daraga.
Di makita.
Makita. Tikisan. Undoy, dali, nanay, undoy.
What is my favorite game?
Roblox.
Good.
Ano ni undoy, dali, bala ka. Let's go na, huy.
What is my favorite cousin?
Ako. Oh! Ha? Ikaw na ba?
Pila ko edad? Pila ko edad?
12. Oh!
Tugdaan sa kuya man.
Bata na, oh. Bata na tambok. Ay, kinay ka.
What is my Who is my friend? What to know? Quadro friend.
Rojen, Dorote, Yanizel. Ay, sana lang good niya.
New to hanyo. What is
Pagtarong ba? Di ka sunod, di ka sunod.
Saan man ako
Tarong lagi.
birthday?
Kibaro ka ni September 26, 2010.
Wrong. What is my
Maganda ako tubig. Uy, ibalik ka basta.
What is my kuan? Birthday.
November 27, 2013.
November?
27.
Wrong. Dili November.
November?
Hapit na. Gigo, what is my birthday?
Birthday? 5.
Oy, kaon! Nimpas mangka. Kaan na lang, makeup.
Makeup na lang.
Mana? Okay, what is my birthday? What is my birthday?
November 26.
Wrong. Doon ka ba kung birthday? Uy, kaon! Or brush.
Sa di ay.
Ako ka ba sa birthday? Sa panoy?
Birthday? September 27, 2010.
Sa?
September 27.
Sakto si Jole.
November, Rod!
Balang ka, be.
Dali, undo.
What is my favorite subject?
1. Math?
Wrong. Di kita kay bugbat sa pag...
Uy, skip sa'yo.
Kaon sa, kaon. Kaon sa, uy. Ingo. What is my favorite subject?
subject? The English. Math.
Wrong.
English.
English.
Pagkaon, pag-awan. Ako be.
Bapa kakaon singgi. Make up pa niya ah. This is my favorite subject.
Science.
Kundi ko science ako. Okay. What subject?
Filipino.
Si Jolly ra ba na kayo bawal?
Ayun, ma'am. Subject man. Uy.
Pwede ka kay baw. What is my favorite street food?
Seafood.
Street food.
Street. Sipura.
Dele. Nagkuman sa Uy, kaon sa oy! Ikaw go, what is my favorite street food? Wrong. Cheesecake?
Asa, kana. Ako ra.
Cheesesteak daw. Wa, simulain go ha.
Bawa ka na kuan. Kanang isaw.
Ito man mo kay? Isaw. What is my...
English ah.
Pila may kaigsuon?
How
How many siblings? Go.
Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Wait.